Alright, it's another day, another transmission pump. This one, the unit belongs to James Davidson. James just told me he's going to beat the crap out of his car, so I have to go back into his transmission and make sure that it's 100% right. And I'm just joking. Yes, like yesterday with Mark P's transmission, the pump needs to be updated to what I've learned. So I've pulled the pump apart out of the fresh unit that hasn't been installed in the car yet, and we're set up with the vacuum checker. You can see it's already hissing. It's pulling about 3-4 inches of vacuum. We'll push on it really hard. It might come up to about 4. I'm gonna take my hole blocker. There's a hole right down in there, and I'm gonna block it, and we're gonna see what this needle goes up to. Not good. I can get it up to about 10 if I hold it just right. I got it up to about 10 or 11 before I made the video, so something's moved a little bit. But either way, there it is. As the Mexicans say, that's no bueno. The paper calls for about 18 inches of vacuum. We're showing 11. So what's going to happen? Well, we're going to put the transmission in the car. It's going to work really good. It's going to shift good. I'm going to deliver it to the customer. Customers are going to enjoy it for a while. He's going to beat the crap out of it. And when the transmission is warm, it's going to not have the best line pressure it could have. It's not going to have the best line pressure rise it could have. And the transmission's life will be shortened. So we're going to ream it with our reamer. We're going to install an oversized PR valve, and I'm going to go out on a limb and say our vacuum's going to go pretty close to 25. So I'm not going to show the reaming on this video. I did on the other one. It's real simple. I'll just pause it and I'll come back and show the after results.
Yes, I mean the key.
Okay, we're back. As you can see, the vacuum's already significantly higher. Put some pressure on my little sealing block there. Comes up even more. Now I'm going to put my little dewdobber in there and block that hole, and we'll see where it goes. Come on, baby, you can go higher than that. You're gonna make a liar out of me. So 22, 23. Not the best I've seen after I've done it, but not the worst either. I mean, definitely way better than it was. Put a little bit of oil down there. I bet it will seal real good. Yep. Alright, 25 inches of vacuum is all it can pull. So we're almost there. So that's a huge improvement for Mr. Davidson's transmission pump. We should have a happy line pressure and happy line pressure rise at operating temperature, which will be about 180 degrees or so.